FAQs about Gold Mop Cypress. Gold Mop Cypress, also known as Chamaecyparis piscifera golden mop, is a striking shrub that stands out with its golden, thread-like foliage. As a gardener who's spent a lot of time nurturing these beautiful plants, I'm often asked a variety of questions about their care and characteristics. Here's a comprehensive guide to the most frequently asked questions about Gold Mop Cypress. See more 5 species in genus Chamaecyparis at monsteraholic.com. How to keep a Gold Mop Cypress small. One of the most common questions I get is how to keep a Gold Mop Cypress small. If you're aiming for a compact size, regular pruning is key. Gold Mop Cypress can naturally grow quite large, but you can manage its size by trimming it back at least once a year. The best time to do this is in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Regular trimming not only keeps the plant small but also maintains its dense, bushy appearance. Do deer eat Gold Mop Cypress? Deer can be quite a nuisance in the garden, and many people wonder if they will munch on Gold Mop Cypress. Fortunately, Gold Mop Cypress is generally considered deer-resistant. The plant's texture and its strong aroma seem to deter deer, making it a good choice if you're dealing with these four-legged garden pests. Can you trim Gold Mop Cypress? Yes, you can trim Gold Mop Cypress, and it's actually beneficial to do so. Trimming helps maintain the plant's shape and health. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to trim the tips of the branches. Avoid cutting back too much at once, as this can cause stress to the plant. Instead, make gradual adjustments to shape and size over time. How big do Gold Mop Cypress get? Gold Mop Cypress is known for its compact, mounding growth habit. Typically, it reaches about 3 to 4 feet in height and spreads to about 4 to 5 feet wide. However, with proper pruning and care, you can maintain it at a smaller size if desired. How to plant Gold Mop Cypress. Planting Gold Mop Cypress is a straightforward process. Choose a location with well-draining soil and full sun to partial shade. Dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball and slightly shallower than the root depth. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil, water thoroughly, and mulch around the base to retain moisture. How to propagate Gold Mop Cypress. Propagating Gold Mop Cypress can be done through cuttings. Take cuttings in late summer or early fall, ensuring they are around 4 to 6 inches long. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone and plant them in a pot filled with a mix of peat and perlite. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment with indirect light until they develop roots. Once rooted, transplant them into larger pots or directly into the garden. How to prune a Gold Mop Cypress. Pruning Gold Mop Cypress involves removing any dead or diseased branches, as well as shaping the plant to maintain its form. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to make cuts just above a bud or branch junction. Avoid cutting too deeply into the older wood, as this can result in bare patches and slower recovery. When to prune Gold Mop Cypress? The ideal time to prune Gold Mop Cypress is in late winter or early spring before the new growth begins. This timing helps the plant recover quickly and encourages healthy new growth. Avoid heavy pruning during the growing season, as it can stress the plant and affect its appearance. Are Gold Mop Cypress toxic to dogs? Gold Mop Cypress is non-toxic to dogs. This makes it a safe choice for gardens where pets roam. Even though it's not toxic, it's always a good idea to discourage pets from chewing on plants, as ingestion of large amounts of any plant material can cause gastrointestinal upset. What is the best soil for Gold Mop Cypress? Gold Mop Cypress thrives in well-draining soil. A loamy, sandy soil that holds some moisture but drains excess water is ideal. Avoid heavy clay soils that can lead to root rot. How to care for Gold Mop Cypress. Caring for Gold Mop Cypress involves regular watering, especially during dry periods, and occasional feeding with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Can Gold Mop Cypress grow indoors? Gold Mop Cypress is best suited for outdoor gardens where it can receive plenty of natural light. It's not ideal for indoor growth due to its need for ample sunlight and fresh air. However, if you're set on growing it indoors, ensure it gets adequate light and ventilation. What to plant with Gold Mop Cypress? Gold Mop Cypress pairs well with other evergreen shrubs and plants with contrasting textures and colors. Consider planting it alongside shrubs with dark foliage or flowers that will bloom in the spring or summer to create a vibrant garden display. Benefits of Gold Mop Cypress. Gold Mop Cypress offers year-round interest with its unique golden foliage and soft texture. It's a low-maintenance plant that provides a striking contrast in garden landscapes and is well-suited for both formal and informal settings. Common problems with Gold Mop Cypress. One common issue is the potential for fungal diseases in overly wet conditions. To prevent this, ensure proper drainage and avoid overhead watering. Additionally, watch for pests like spider mites and scale, which can affect the health of the plant. Gold Mop Cypress is a beautiful and versatile shrub that adds color and texture to the garden. By understanding its needs and addressing common concerns, you can enjoy a healthy and attractive plant for years to come.